Hello everyone, welcome to Out of England. We are coming to you from Buckingham Palace. This is the statue of Queen Victoria right behind me. And with me is this lovely family which has come from India as tourists. And this is a Delhi family, right?
Yes.
Okay, Delhi family.
And Jamshedpur.
And Jamshedpur. Welcome to London, all of you. Okay, so the question I'm asking is, should the UK government follow the rules that the US government has when it comes to issuing tourist visas for Indian tourists? Because the UK visa is just thinking of a holiday in the UK is a very expensive task. So should the rules change?
Oh yes, it should certainly change, because people would like to come to UK quite often, and currently the situation is that they provide only for 3 months, maximum 90 days, 100 days, something like that, or maybe at best 6 months. So certainly it requires to be changed, and it should bring all these visa rules, etc., at par with the countries like USA and all. That's what is the general feeling.
Right, let's just explain briefly. To get a UK visa, you have to spend around how much, sir?
Almost about 9,000 rupees.
9,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So that allows you a single time entry, not a multiple entry, single entry to the UK, which is for about a maximum of 6 months. And if you want to travel Europe, you'll have to get a Schengen visa as well.
Schengen visa also we have gone. That has cost almost about 7,000, 8,000 rupees.
Okay, so the 9,000 plus 8,000 rupees just on visa. And then of course tickets, etc. is expensive. And this is the time.
Not the only expense, when I stay in Jamshedpur, I'd have to go to Calcutta. I have to go there twice to get this visa cleared. No, once for UK visa and second time for Schengen visa. And then I had to, go through an agent, because you alone cannot do that.
Correct.
You cannot handle the situation in the other city.
So how many days are you here?
For 5 days.
5 days. So roughly on an average, just tickets and visa will be how much expenditure?
Ticket and visa will altogether say about 2 and fro you're talking about?
Yes.
Yes, about 75,000.
75 to about a lakh just for one person, just visa. And is it true that Indian tourists are enjoying here even better at a time when the pound value has come down, which means you get so many more pounds in your hand? Is that true?
Yeah.
More shopping?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay. It's a bonus. It's a bonus, okay. But for Indians living here, it's terrible news that the pound value has come down, because so many of them I know are trying to send money back home and are literally having tears in their eyes every time they see the currency converter showing 89, 87 and so on and so forth. But are you traveling to Europe?
Yeah, we are going to Europe.
Okay, which means you've taken a Schengen visa as well. All right, so this wild petition, very wild idea that let there be a common visa for the whole of Europe. Of course, now Britain is not in the European Union, but are you still saying that that's a feasible idea?
Definitely it should be there, because a lot of hassles will be removed.
Okay. Ma'am, how about you? Would you come back to the UK if given a chance? I mean, everybody would love a holiday, but would you want to come back to the UK or the US?
UK.
UK? Why?
Because I like London, this
Okay.
place.
Okay, and you like the cold and the rain
Yes.
and the sudden rains?
Yes.
Oh, that is good fun.
I'm enjoying.
Oh, okay. Okay, have you shopped enough?
Not yet.
Okay. How long has it been since you've come here?
Uh,
Just 2 days.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, great. So the sense I'm getting is very clear, very simple, that visa rules really need a little bit of modification, because A, it is very expensive, and B, one needs to think about traveling to Europe also. I know a lot of people who say, "Acha, London dekh liya, to Paris bhi dekh lete hain." So what are you seeing in Paris?
Eiffel Tower and other
Sorry,
things
what are you
also.
seeing in Europe? I mean, Paris and
Paris and Amsterdam.
okay,
We will go to Belgium and
Brussels.
Brussels and
Very
Berlin.
interesting that you're coming to Britain and then going to Brussels, because that's precisely what all politicians here are doing. After the whole Brexit referendum, where there's going to be like this marriage divorce between Brussels and London, given there's going to be a separation now, and very soon we will see the process of Brexit actually happening. But yeah, Brussels, which is Belgium, Amsterdam, Paris.
Paris. Yeah.
Berlin.
Okay.
And then back to Amsterdam and back to Delhi.
tourism indeed a place where the UK is trying to make as much money. However, it is a sweet revenge perhaps for the UK taking on India, where the visa fees is expensive. And it is just given for a single entry. So there is, in fact, as I talk to you, a petition that is on in the parliament. In fact, parliamentarians I know of, including some MPs from regions where Indian community really lives in, places like Harrow, etc. There are plans to bring in amendments to the UK visa for Indian tourists, and hopefully that will see the light of the day. But until then, see you. Have a great holiday.
Thank you.
Yes, have a great holiday. And what have you brought for us from India?
Love, good luck.
Okay. Okay, great. On that note, good luck and lots of love. Write to us, ooe@ndtv.com.